this film, Hold Me Close?
To be honest, my turning point to acceptance is really working with Kaloy and JB again. It was, I had a wonderful time doing expensive candy. Talagang, it wasn't easy to do that, but they really held my hand throughout my journey, so it was just the same way as well.
Okay, I think that answers the question. Up next, we have here more questions. Let me see. Okay, how do you relate from your characters from the movie? I think this is for Julia and Carlo.
Wala yun eh. Okay mo. May perfect hope na ako.
Siguro in a sense na, you know, I went through that phase also before, na medyo guarded ka, you're more careful, you're scared of going through pain again and being let down by people. But maybe that's more in the past, because now parang, you know, whether you're gonna bring pain or happiness, at least everyone is given a chance. And yun, siguro mas in the past ko ako nakaka-relate sa kanya.
Now, hindi na masyado.
Now, baka not as guarded as before, just
Wiser. Wow, I think too. Okay, so next question is, you guys are nominated for the PMPC Movie Love Teen of the Year. Do you think you could brag another nomination for your performance in Hold Me Close? I think they're asking for...
I didn't know.
They didn't know. They're surprised.
Ano? That's so cool. Ano sasabi mo ko? Love Team
Love Team tayo. O, kailangan ng trilogy nito. Third installment.
Okay, then at JP, may aabangan ba kami pangatlong pagsasama ninyo?
Hindi lang pangatlo.
Marami pa. Wow. Mas marami na tayong mapanakit na mapapanood ng pelikula. Okay, so this is, I think, the last question from Mike Venus of Kapamilya Vines. Based from the premise of the story, is love worth the pain? I think you've already answered this question earlier, but if you want to expound on it, Direk, how about you?
It is.
It is.
100%.
To a certain degree, siyempre meron lang abusing na ito.
Oh, yeah.
Pero, you know, the basic things, talagang kapag pinasok mo yung love, may kaakibat ng pain yan at some point na you should be ready to handle if you want the relationship to work. That makes sense.
Kayo naman, would you like to expound your answers earlier?
I feel like the advice should be coming from him because diba, he's already reached the point where
He has a
can you give us some tips? Please.
Yun nga, yung kung hanggang saan mo kaya, yung threshold mo ng pain eh, di ba? Kasi katulad nga sinabi ni Direk, yung pagmamahal may kaakibat na sakit. So, ako, tanggap ko na yung sakit eh, no? Di ba? So, yeah.
Oo, worth it naman. Pag worth it yung tao, worth it lahat. Parang it boils down to that.
Okay, so before we wrap up, this is the last question. Would you hold on to love this Christmas?
Of course, lalo na this Christmas.
Hindi lang this Christmas.
So New Year,
no?
New Year na.
New Year din, Valentine's.
Oh, Valentine's ang dami mong kasagot.
All our lives dapat.
Yes.
Love close.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, speaking of holding on to love this Christmas, please let them all know that we are showing on December 25. Invite all your friends, your family, your fans are all here as well.
Yes po, sana po masuportahan nyo kami. Hold Me Close this coming December 25. Tapos yung float natin ay December Parade 21. Magkita po tayo dyan.
Yes, yun. Thanks guys for joining us this afternoon. We hope you enjoyed the film. If you're here this Christmas, please try to watch it and let us know feedback nyo. Thank you. Direct.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta dito na Vloggers Press. Ayun, we'll be close this Christmas na po. Official ending, the 50th MMM. Starring these two.
Directed by
This one.
This one.
So,